At Orbbo, we are dedicated to crafting and supplying nature-based ingredients that meet the highest global standards. The journey begins at trusted cultivation sites where Mucuna Pruriens is grown under sustainable agricultural practices. Throughout the growth cycle, crops are monitored to ensure healthy development. Harvesting takes place only when plants reach full maturity, allowing seeds to naturally develop their optimal biochemical profile. Once harvested, seeds are carefully selected based on internal quality parameters. Only material that meets Orbbo's specifications proceeds to processing, establishing a clean, controlled starting point. The selected seeds enter a comprehensive cleaning phase where dust, debris, and surface impurities are removed. To enhance safety and usability, the seeds undergo controlled thermal treatment. This stage is carefully calibrated to reduce naturally occurring anti-nutritional factors while maintaining the integrity of key functional bioactives. Following thermal processing, the material is dried under regulated temperature and airflow conditions. Moisture levels are stabilized to prepare the seeds for efficient and uniform milling. The dried seeds are then processed using food-grade grinding systems, producing a fine, smooth Mucuna Pruriens powder suitable for nutraceutical and wellness formulations. Precision sieving follows, ensuring standardized particle size and consistent performance across applications. Safety and compliance are built into every stage. The powder undergoes sterilization and comprehensive laboratory testing for microbial safety, heavy metals, and overall purity, meeting international export and regulatory standards. The finished organic Mucuna Pruriens powder is packed under controlled conditions, securely stored, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.